Hi and hello everyone, this is srishti and today I thought that I should summarize all what I've been talking in few of my previous videos, which is what to study for each subject. So let's go. So this is for CA final old and new syllabus, starting with group 1, starting with the first paper, which is financial reporting. Here mainly concentrate on the PM for sure and the study material as well, but start with the small topics. I do not recommend you to start with consolidation or amalgamation for that matter, because that will literally take out entire time. Start with all the small topics, because of late the examiners are choosing questions from the study material to a very great extent, especially for FR. Now proceeding towards strategic financial management. For this, the ICAI PM is more than sufficient. If you are really strong with the concepts in the PM, I think you should be in a position to crack it really well. Now for support, you can see the YouTube channels of CA Mayank sir and CA Tarun sir. You can note the spellings here and they are pretty famous, so you must be knowing them. Else you can just go to YouTube and check out their videos on the concepts. Now for audit, what I did was I used Pankaj sir's scanner, which I've spoken about in my previous video as well. Right now with the situation which is on, I don't think the markets are open, so in that case follow the ICAI PM. So I am just going to edit this. Yeah, just the ICAI PM. Plus for support, you have wonderful lectures of CA Sanidhya Saraf sir, which I've spoken about in a lot of my videos. Plus he has some audio clips, some brilliant clips on his Telegram channel, which is called the Law and Audit Saga. Right, so you can see them and you can prepare for your exams really well. So this is his channel name on Telegram. Now going to the next, for law, I have specified her book as well. So Arpita ma'am's book is one of the best that I find for law, and she has her lectures on YouTube as well. So this must be more than enough for you to finish off your law preparation. Now going to group 2, starting with AMA QT. Now QT specifically for the old syllabus. So AMA is common for old and new, right? For this the PM is more than sufficient, and the syllabus is so vast that I don't think you'd have the time to go through the SM in any case. For theory, if you are specific, you need the theory in simpler words, you can look at the Paduka's book. But right now, if you do not have that book, do not panic, just go through the PM. It is more than sufficient. Now passing on to the next, which is ISCA. This is again just for the old syllabus students. The new syllabus, it's the elective paper. So for ISCA, just make sure you get the new PM. Now all these are available even in soft copies in the institute site as well. So make sure you go through the new PM with the new questions, because there is very good probability that you might get them in your examination. Plus study material just for a few chapters, like for governance there are few answers which are not in the new PM, or for chapters like protection, etc. Now passing on to direct taxes. Again, this has always been my recommendation to you guys, which is CA Bhavar sir's book, his compact in short, plus his lectures on YouTube. For IDT, it is the Bangas book which I followed, plus currently I made a video on the revisor which I found for GST. Of course I did not use this book for my preparation because it wasn't out till then, but right now that is a good book to revise your IDT. Apart from this preparation, the final lap of your preparation should be this. At least if you're not in a position to work out all the questions, at least go through the last 2 RTPs, the last 2 mock papers that are out on the institute website, and the previous attempt question papers. At least the November 19 papers for old and new syllabus. Because a lot of times the questions are shifted from the new syllabus papers to the old and old to the new. right? So these should be the things that you should be looking out for. In case of any questions, do make sure you comment in the comment section below, and I will try to be of your help as much as I can. So till then, love for studies. Bye.